No one can say for certain where he came from, but they're certain he was born to clean. See, while most little boys always find ways to make messes, he'd always find ways to get rid of them. He had plenty of friends, but a different idea of fun. As he grew older, his curiosity grew with him. So he left the home he loved to learn more. And when he learned everything he could in a classroom, his passion drove him further. Until the day finally came, he learned everything there was to learn about getting rid of grime. The amazing part? He wasn't doing it for himself. He was doing it to help others. No matter who they were, where they lived, or how big the mess was. It's hard to say what might have been exaggerated over time, but one thing's for sure. When it comes to clean, there's only one Mister.